Today, I am going to discuss how to prepare for NET exam. The NET exam, it is offered by CSIR and UGC. So it is the India's most prestigious exam for science. So the level of the questions will be very high. Once you clear this exam, you will be given JRF and your salary or stipend will be around 25,000 plus HRA. HRA depends on the place where you are doing PhD. So even up to 31,000 you may get if you are in metro cities. If you go for an industry after MSc, your salary will be around 20,000. If you go to small companies, your salary may be around 15 or even sometimes 10. For doing PhD, you are given 31,000. Because of that, the competition will be very high. The students from IITs, already they are good in subject, they will compete. There are so many coaching centers all over India. They pay nearly 30 to 40,000 and they learn. And from universities, the universities, they select candidate based on the performance. So they are the third one. Finally, student from rural area, from private colleges, deemed universities, now the students in the IIT, they are good, so they have lot of motivation, good facilities, so it is easy for them to clear CSIR. What about these three categories? How to prepare for this exam? So I am going to talk about that. Before that, I would like to give a testimony about my experience with this competitive exam. You can find here, this is my mark sheet in the first semester BSc. See, the first semester I got 98 in analytical, 92 in inorganic chemistry. Second one, I got 89 in organic chemistry and 97 in physical chemistry. Third semester, I got 98 in inorganic chemistry, 93 in physical chemistry. Fourth one, I got 99 in organic chemistry, 97 in physical chemistry. In fifth semester, I got 93 in inorganic chemistry, 98 in organic chemistry, 95 in physical chemistry and 98 in analytical chemistry, 97 in medical chemistry. End semester, you can see here, in inorganic chemistry I got 91, organic 96, physical 97, leather chemistry 96, general elective mathematics for competitive exam 90, then chemistry lab 144 out of 150, another lab 100, then project 92, current scientific developments in chemistry 48 out of 50, like this. So this is my mark statements for BSc. If you add them together, the percentage whatever I got in BSc, that was 94.5%. Many people even can't think of this much in science. But I got 94.5. I got somewhat less mark in the first semester because I was from Tamil medium. So I got somewhat less in the first one, but still I made up to 94.5. After this, the question in front of me was where to do MSc. I went to write IIT entrance exam. And I was not able to answer even a single question from the IIT entrance exam. I was 0. I got 94.5% in BSc, but I got 0 in IIT entrance exam for MSc. What does it mean? This 94.5% and the IIT 0. That means students generally memorize the thing, the theory, and they get marks. When they go for competitive exam, everything will be entirely different. During that time, there was no internet, so I had no idea what will be the type of question. So I got 0 mark. That means I didn't attend any question there. Or whatever I attend, I have no confidence that was correct. In competitive exam, there won't be any theory question. 100% it will be only application. Apply the concept, the reaction to certain problem. Then somehow I was selected in University of Madras. Classes started in 2001 September first week. I joined there. I took organic chemistry. So it is a specialization course. In 2002 December, I wrote CSIR exam. The difference between this, it is only 15 to 16 months. Before that, the IIT entrance exam, which was conducted in May, I got 0 mark. I was not able to answer a single question. 2002, I wrote CSIR. This is the letter from CSIR. Can you see here? I am directed to inform you that you have qualified in above examination for consideration for award of Junior Research Fellowship in subject Chemical Sciences under the CSIR Fellowship schemes. Not only CSIR exam. Beyond that, this is another letter from CSIR stating that we have pleasure in announcing that on the basis of the merit list of the joint CSIR UGC test for the JRF and eligibility test for lectureship held in June 2002 or December 2002, you are one of the JRF awardees who has secured place among the top 20 awardees in your subject Chemical Sciences. You are therefore invited to take the SPM Fellowship Test 2003 on 13th of July 2003 at Hyderabad. So I was one among the top 20. Then I went for the test also. They shortlisted 6 people for the interview. I was one among them. Unfortunately, I thought I didn't do that well, and because of some health reason I came back from Hyderabad The result was announced the next day. I didn't wait for that, but my name was there in the shortlisted candidates. I also wrote GATE in 2003 February. So this is about GATE 2003. You can see here I got 97.55 percentile. Now I think this system is not there, but the all India rank whatever I got is 72. Not only that one, I also stood first in my class. So you can see here I got Professor Swaminathan Endowment Lecture Prize as well as K.K. Balasubramanian's 60th birth felicitation prize. So both I got. Now I am very good example for all the GATE and CSIR aspirants to understand how to prepare for the exam. See, only this 15 to 16 months has changed my life. I took only 15 to 16 months to go from 0 to the top 6 in India. What I did? First one, library. Second one, coaching center. Third one, study material from coaching center. The fourth one, books. So generally one can think of this four things. As soon as somebody have cleared, the reason may be one of this. Now I go for the first one, library. You will not believe that I would have hardly spent 20 hours in library. In that 15 months. Only 20 hours, that also during daytime. If there is no class, I used to go to the library. So I rule out this. Second one, books. Is it because of books? I had only 4 books with me. The first one, IL Finor, first volume, which I purchased for 100 rupees, the platform, second hand. So I had IL Finor. The second book, Stereochemistry by Kelsey. That is the second one. Third one, Spectroscopy by Kelsey. Fourth one, Synthetic Approach in Organic Chemistry by R.K. Bansa. Only these 4 books I had. People say Claydon, Carey and Sundberg, Morrison Boyd, Norman Coxon. All these books I have heard, but I didn't had that book. And even in the library, when I go for the library, before me other students used to take that. So what I got in the library was a book by McMurray. So books, I didn't use Jerry March or Carey and Sundberg and other very well-known books. What about study material? I don't remember that I had spent even a single paise to take a Xerox also as CSIR material. I have never spent even a single penny for this. Then the last one, coaching center. I didn't go for this also. I didn't spend for this coaching center also. Then how I clear? Only one thing I did. I used to practice problems. Minimum 1 to 2 hours every day. I used to solve problems. I used to create my own problem and I used to solve that. That is the reason why I cleared, why I was one among the top 20 and top 6. At this place, I would like to express my gratitude to my friends, Dr. Jai Murugan. Second one, Dr. Muruganandam. They used to go to library and they used to bring several problems. We used to sit together and we used to solve that. So that helped me to clear GATE as well as CSIR exam. Also, the teachers who taught me during that time, they were very good in organic chemistry as well as in research. So they introduced the research problems to us. That also another reason. So I would like to express my gratitude to Dr. P.C. Srinivasan, Dr. Raghunathan sir, Dr. Rajkumar sir, last one, Dr. A.K. Moganakrishnan. These were the teachers who taught me. They used to give so many reactions, so many problems, so many mechanisms. Because of that only I clear. So don't spend lot of time in internet, Facebook, and don't waste money in buying study material and going to coaching center. All the books, they contain the basic principles in organic chemistry. The only difference between the Indian author and the foreign author, and so say very good book for competitive exam, is instead of simple functional group, that will be somewhat complex molecule. Because of that, it becomes good book. The principle will be same in all the textbooks. Only the problems, the examples, whatever they give, it will be different. So for the problem only you have to go for that. First you should be good in basic, then try to apply that for the problem whatever you find in standard textbooks. I shot this video mainly to motivate you. If you are good and if you prepare, easily you can win. Already I mentioned I am organic chemist. I was good in organic chemistry. But I am very poor in physical chemistry. I attended only one question from physical chemistry, that is from group theory. And in inorganic chemistry, I was able to attend some questions because of organometallic. Now, I advise you to select two topics, either organic or inorganic, or physical or inorganic. It depends up to your interest. In that, in one subject, you should be able to solve 75% of the question. It may be organic or inorganic, but go for 75% of the question you should be able to answer. That is, out of 40, you should be able to answer 30 questions. Then from the remaining 3, so that is general plus other 2 subjects, you are expected to answer only 30%. If you have done that, you can easily clear. For that, you have to solve the problems, the previous year question papers. During my time, the previous year question paper was not available. We were not allowed to take that question paper out. But still, our seniors used to tell these are the questions which had been asked. I am sure that the same question, whatever has been asked in the CSIR exam, will not be repeated. Unknowingly, 1 or 2 questions may be there, but the same question will not be repeated. That's why they allow nowadays to take the question paper, but the concept, around 90% it will be same. Whatever concept it has been asked in the last previous year question paper, the same concept will be there. Only the substrate will be different. So, if you have understood the concept, you can answer this. That is the motivation for me. I am making videos with the previous year question paper. I have solved 5 years question paper. Sorry, not 5 years, 5 CSIR question. So nearly 180 problems I have with me. I will upload one by one. So if you have gone through all this problem, your knowledge will be very good. From that, minimum 60 to 70% concept will be asked, and it will make you to solve on your own the remaining problem. So your thinking capacity will be somewhat higher, then you can think on your own and you can predict the product. So that is the driving force, the motivation for me. So that's why I have made videos. Since many of you are not good in the basic concepts, for next 1 or 2 weeks I will make videos on basic concepts in organic chemistry and I will post that. Practice more and try to get through. All the best.